Welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrencies stumbled deeper into correction on Tuesday, with Bitcoin dipping to near $67,000 as traders brace for Wednesday's key US inflation report and Federal Reserve meeting. Well, Bitcoin started the day trading near $70,000 before hitting a 3-week low price at $66,170 during the US session. Well, it slightly rebounded to near $66,500 but was still down nearly 5% over the past 24 hours. All coins saw even deeper pullbacks during the same period, with broader market or crypto market benchmark CoinDesk 20 index declining over 6%, with all 20 constituents being in the red. Ethereum's Ether broke below $3,500 and was down 6.5%, while Solana's Sol and DogeCoin's Doge, Cardano's ADA and Chainlink's Link endured 6 to 9% losses. The sudden pullback incurred over $250 million in liquidations of leveraged derivatives trading positions across all crypto assets, CoinGlass data shows, marking the second significant leveraged flush in a week after Friday's $400 million liquidations. The global crypto market cap is $2.42 trillion, a 4.13% decrease over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $95.14 billion, which makes a 43.83% increase, while the total volume in DeFi is currently $6.47 billion, 6.80% of total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $88.61 billion, which is 93.14% of total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 54.59%, an increase of 0.37% over the day. The Central Bank of Ireland has approved Crypto.com, one of the world's largest crypto trading platform, as a virtual asset service provider in Ireland. Well, this approval allows Crypto.com to expand its offerings into the country, including crypto to fiat exchanges and fiat wallets. Crypto.com President and Chief Operating Officer Eric Enziani said the approval demonstrates the company's commitment to compliance and responsible innovation. The CBI has approved 15 entities as VASPs in Ireland, including Coinbase, the largest US-based crypto exchange. The full list of registered VASPs in Ireland features 14 entities as of June 7, including major industry firms like Ripple, the Winklevoss Brothers Gemini Exchange, MoonPay, Standard Chartered, Zodiac Custody Platform, PaySafe and others. The CBI's approval of Crypto.com marks another milestone in the country's growing interest in the crypto industry. ZkSync, one of the longest-running Ethereum second-layer project, has airdropped 3.675 billion tokens out of a 21 billion token supply. However, only 700,000 addresses qualify out of 6,752,145 total unique addresses as of May 27. The project focuses on identifying real users using a human-first approach, which requires interaction with 10 smart contracts and trading 10 ERC20 tokens. Many would not meet these requirements even on mainnet, especially considering ZkSync has mostly been running during the bear. For ZkSync Lite, users had to donate in a specific way on Gitcoin or transact in 3 different months, but only on the Lite version. This means that if an actual real user and Ethereum trying out the L2 when it first got out because it was an exciting development, they would not qualify. The first version of ZkSync Lite required 2,500 addresses to donate 100,000 tokens each, while millions get nothing. This very restrictive airdrop means there will be less ecosystem undue bias towards ZkSync, and thus L2s may be judged more objectively. MicroStrategy's stock has seen a 132% increase this year, outpacing other companies with BTC exposure, according to research firm Geico. Well, this surge is partly due to a short squeeze and the new spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US, which offer an easy way to invest in BTC. Tesla and The Block, despite holding BTC, have not seen similar gains, with their stocks down by 10% and 29% year-to-date, respectively. Now, other firms including Metaplanet and Semler Scientific have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, with Metaplanet shares jumping by 85% post-announcement and Semler Scientific seeing a 10% increase. The US Financial Accounting Standards Board approval of new crypto accounting rules in December 2023 has also increased the attractiveness of Bitcoin as a corporate asset. Lido, the Ethereum staking platform, is facing a new trend called restaking that threatens to erode its grip on DeFi. The Lido DAO, a consortium of LDO token holders, is partnering with Mellow Finance, a platform that allows users to generate yield by depositing into restaking vaults in Symbiotic, a permissionless restaking protocol. Under this initiative, traders will gain access to restaking tools that could help return Lido STETH to center stage. However, Lido's dominance has fallen as users have moved assets over to EigenLayer, a newer service that allows users to restake assets like Ether and STETH to help secure other networks in exchange for additional rewards. Polygon has launched a $720 million community treasury dedicated to supporting blockchain projects over the next 10 years. The initiative promises to support developers with the Polygon and Ethereum ecosystems. The $720 billion fund will allocate an initial 35 million Polygon Matic tickers down $0.6234 tokens worth roughly $25 million for the Community Grant Program first season. The community treasury formed through community consensus will distribute approximately 100 million Polygon ecosystem tokens annually, totaling 1 billion POL tokens over a decade. The first season offers two tracks for builders, the general grant track and the consumer crypto track. Tether Holdings Limited, the issuer of the USDT stablecoin and the leading player in the crypto industry, is planning to invest over $1 billion into various deals over the next 12 months. The investment arm evaluates hundreds of pitches monthly, primarily from startups, and focuses on alternative financial infra for emerging markets, AI, and biotechnology. Tether has already invested around $2 billion over the past 2 years in these areas, and Tether's USDT stablecoin tracks the US dollar, boasts a market cap of around $112.4 billion. In a high interest rate environment, Tether has strategically invested most of its reserves in US Treasury bills and other securities, reaping substantial profits. Now, Tether's profitability has been noteworthy, with a reported profit of over $4 billion in the first quarter, and the company plans to channel a portion of its profit into various deals with aim of expanding its distribution network and investing in infrastructure in emerging markets. The market value of Chile's cryptocurrency, the native coin of Socios blockchain hosting most major fan tokens, has risen to over $1.07 billion, nearing levels last seen around the 2022 World Cup. Trading volumes of fan tokens have also increased, with over $170 million registered on May 4, 2024, and compared to between $25 million and $57 million for the most of January. The total market value of listed fan tokens is around $413 million. This summer could be a crucial test for the fan token sector, which offers perks like raffle entries, early ticket access, and merchandise discount. Critics point out the speculative and risky nature of these tradable assets. The surge in fan token activity is reminiscent of volatile trading witnessed during the FIFA World Cup 2022, with average daily trading volume skyrocketing from $32 million to approximately $300 million, an increase of 837%. A new report from the EU Innovation Hub for Internal Security has identified Bitcoin's Lightning Network and other Layer 2 solutions as data obfuscation technologies that could be abused by criminals. The report highlights that the Lightning Network's two-party multi-signature payments channels will only broadcast the opening and closing of the channel, which could cause problems for law enforcement investigations. The report also criticized coin mixers such as Tornado Cash and privacy coins like Monero, Zcash, Grain, and Dash, which use zero-knowledge proofs and Layer 2 solution to obscure transaction data, complicating tracing the origin of illicit cryptocurrency for law enforcement. The cryptocurrency bull market in the first half of 2024 has seen a significant recovery, with false rumors of a digital asset ETF approval in October 2023 and the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States in Jan 2024. By June 11, 2024, nearly 85 million addresses held at least $1 worth of Bitcoin or 1,400 sats. Historical snapshots show that on Jan 4, the total number of such addresses stood at approximately 77.5 million. In just under 6 months, as many as 7.3 million new Bitcoin addresses were added, a total increase of 9.51%. The number of BTC millionaires also increased substantially, rising from 96,736 to 126,733. However, the 2024 rise in the number of Bitcoin millionaires reveals an interesting phenomenon. The number of such BTC holders grew by 70,000 in the 12-month period and by more than 50,000 in the year's first quarter. So that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3worstv.io or scan the QR code.